In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change access settings in the new version of Google Forms. Whether you're new to Google Forms or simply adjusting to the latest updates, this guide will clarify the process step by step, ensuring you can tailor your settings precisely to your needs. First things first, let's head over to Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Apps section. You can find it easily on the main dashboard of Google Drive. This is your gateway to accessing various Google applications, including Forms. Clicking on Apps will bring up a list of the different Google apps available. From here, locate Forms and click on it. This takes you directly to the Google Forms interface. You'll see a list of all your existing forms, so take a moment to select the specific form you're looking to edit. Click on the form to open it up. If your list is long, make use of the search feature at the top to quickly locate your form. Once you have your form open, the next thing you'll want to do is access the settings. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon. This is where you can explore different settings tabs that offer various options to customize your form's behavior and accessibility. Inside settings, pay particular attention to the responses and presentation sections. Here you can make critical adjustments depending on what you want for your form. For instance, in the Responses tab, you can decide who can respond to your form by exploring options like collecting email addresses or limiting responses to certain users. In Presentation, you can alter how the form appears to the participants, adding confirmation messages or allowing users to view responses after submission. If your aim is to manage who can make changes to the form or view it, you'll need to explore the Share settings. By clicking on Share, you have the choice to either restrict access to particular individuals or make the form public for anyone with the link. This is essential for controlling the form's access level effectively. You're also able to invite collaborators by adding their email addresses, granting them permission to edit the form, or even assigning ownership if needed. This feature is particularly useful for projects that require teamwork or input from various contributors. After you've made all the necessary adjustments, be sure to click on Done to save your changes. This final step ensures that all your settings are applied and your form is ready according to your specifications. And that's it. You've now mastered how to adjust access settings in the new version of Google Forms. With these tools, you can better manage who sees and interacts with your forms, enhancing both the security and functionality of your projects.